How to use ESPN Fantasy Football 2025. So, in order to do this, you're gonna have the app ready, of course, pretty much ready to log in. But if you don't, you can sign up pretty much easily. But there is a few things you gotta keep in mind when you're setting up. You're gonna have to log in, apparently using a Disney account or your Disney email. So right here, pressing on the sign up option, but it is loading a bit. So depending on your connection, it is gonna take some time. But once it is, you can enter your email address by logging into your ESPN with your Disney account. So if you don't have one, you will be prompted to create one. So once you have done that and have connected your account or made an account for your ESPN, you just pretty much start using the ESPN Fantasy Football app. So you can join or create a league over here directly in the main screen. As you can see, you can create, you can start your own league and invite your friends. You can also join a public league if you want to do that. So once you've done so, you can prepare for the drafts, like review league settings, like scoring formats, roster spots, and draft type. You can also use ESPN's mock decks to practice, or once you have enough an idea on what to do, you can start drafting your team. So when the draft starts, you can join live or in the app or on the site. You can pick players when it's your turn and fill key spots and defense, especially QB, RB, RWR, stuff like that, and watch bye weeks and balance your roster. So you can manage your weekly lineup or your NFL each week. Then you can set your starting lineup by dragging players into active positions. So bench underperforming players or those on bye. So you can use waivers or free agencies. So after games, you can drop or add players since waiver claims process midweek. And other than that, free agents can be added anytime after waivers clear. You can also explore trades, track scores and standings, playoffs, and the championship, as most leagues playoffs start at week 14 or 15 of the NFL season. So top team battles in elimination matchups until a champion is crowned. But anyways, you should be greeted with most of the features of the ESPN Fantasy app once you pretty much have access to it. You can learn much more directly inside the app, so of course you can always go ahead and take a look right there. But hopefully the information of this video still can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.